guys. Hey, mail call time. What it be, brothers and sisters? So, let's get right to it and let's see what's in here. I believe I know what's in here. And then in a few seconds, you're going to believe what's in here because you're going to see it. And then you're going to say another one, and I'm going to say, yes, sir, yes, ma'am. Because I really like this pen. And I've given many of these away. Beautiful, stunning Jinhao 159 to purple. Just a stunning fountain pen. And this one has a fine nib. So I will be doing a review on the nibs for the Jinhao 159. I have the broad, I have the medium, I have the fine. And then I will be also talking about the different nibs I have inside of some of my other Jinhao 159s. But affordable, practical. If you lose the pen, you know, there's not a lot of money invested in these pens, but they've been holding up very well, at least for me, and just a great workhorse fountain pen. They just write right out of the box and gives people a chance to find out if they like large pens, heavy pens like this, or not. They can check out the nib to see if they like the nib or not, and they can change the nibs out to see what's going to fit their needs as far as the nibs are concerned. Just you have a lot of pluses with this pen. You may or may not agree. That's totally cool, but this is just my opinion. Peace, love, follow the rules, stay safe, and as always, don't text, don't drive. Later. And I got one more left here. Very interesting. Why is it very interesting? Well, the box is very interesting. It's just a box, right? Yeah, you can say that. But what's on the box is what's interesting to me. I'll show you if I get all this off. If I get all this off. Let's see if I can get some of this stuff off, because I wanted to show you the box if I was able to. Maybe I can this right here. There. Huh. Well, this is on the side of the box. And then this was on the other side of the box. And then this right here. So, let's see what's inside here. Okay. I'm getting close to it. It is taped up very well, that's for sure. Well, so much for that, so much for that, so much for that. Here we go. What could it be? Because I don't know what it is. I'm fixing to find out. Okay. Well, that little baby's in there. So what I'm going to have to do is that. There. Whew. Well, look at this. A cube. What I've been wanting. Did you get that for me?
No. and it's called Ink Buddy.
Ink Buddy? Huh. Well, I wonder. Huh. This is interesting, folks. I don't know who it's from. But whoever sent this, thank you very much. Canada looks like. Interesting. Well, and this will hold a bottle of the Robert Oyster ink and 4 pence. So let me get a bottle of Robert Oyster, which I happen to have right here.
Very good.
Wow, isn't that cool, Ink Buddy? Wow, I like that. That is totally awesome. Wow. Huh. Great idea. Look at that. Huh. Well, there you have it. But whoever sent this, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. Lots of love and hugs. And wow, it just made my day. Isn't that awesome? Ink Buddy. Wow. Holds a bottle of Robert Oyster ink as well. Wow, it's a win-win, right? Robert Oyster rocks. So, well, I do have the person who sent it, but the person who wants to stay anonymous, I finally found it. But I can mention the person's cat's names and dog's names. Maybe kind of. Well, I'm just going to say it's from Millie and Minnie Cats. How's that? Thank you. It arrived. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow. How? I finally found out who the mystery sender was, who is anonymous. But Millie and the Cats are not. They are who they are. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate it. Peace, love. Again, I don't know how many times I'm going to say that. Oh, I'm just flabbergasted. All right, so I think he wants to tell you something. Bye. Bye.